Here's a car you won't see too often. This is a 2014 Chevy Corvette Premier Edition. This was a limited run build that they did. There was only 500 that were pumped out from the factory. This one is number 48. It has 9,900 original miles on it. This thing is loaded to the brim with options. We got Z51 performance suspension on it, a 3LZ interior, head-up display, heated and cooled seats, and it's a manual transmission. Now you guys know the drill. If you enjoy our channel, make sure you subscribe to it. If you smash that like button, click the bell icon, that way you get notified every single time a new video gets posted. You don't want to miss out. We have some killer inventory. We look for the best vehicles possible and bring them into the Volo Auto Museum. Now for the full photo shoots and write-up descriptions, you can visit volocars.com. There you can study all the specs on every single vehicle, see the full in-depth photo shoots, and the YouTube videos are posted individually as well. You don't want to miss out. We have a couple hundred both modern muscle and classic cars. They're all for sale. Check it out, volocars.com. Now I absolutely love what they did with this base Stingray. So technically it is a base model as it is only the Stingray, but it does have the Z51 performance suspension on it, the 3LT interior, 7-speed manual. But take a look at some of the subtle differences for the Premier Edition. So this is finished in a gorgeous Laguna Blue paint. It does have some carbon flash metallic offsets on it on all the trim pieces, the rear tail lights. As you'll see, they're coming to the rear here. We do have a beautiful Targa or removable carbon fiber exposed roof. That will go in the trunk hatch area that can get locked in place. A bunch of stuff has been PPF'd or paint protection filmed on this vehicle, preventing it from getting damaged from stone chips or debris on the road. The rear lower rocker area and side skirts have been PPF'd. Actually, the carbon fiber roof has been PPF'd, as well as the full front. So the whole hood has been PPF'd, the headlights, the front bumper, and then the first quarter section of the front fenders as well. So this thing is in fantastic shape, guys. It has only 9,910 original miles on it, and this thing is sleek. It's extra sharp in my opinion. They do a specific 19-inch offset and a 20-inch in the rear chrome style wheel, and they have like a little twist to them, so they're not like the normal Stingray wheel. Those are exclusive for the Premier Edition. Now this car has been lowered a little bit with some lowering bolt kits. It is still on the stock suspension though, so they just added the lowering kit to it. It doesn't take away from the performance or functionality about this car, and it makes it look extra slick. Even the mirror caps have been PPF'd as well, so those are in great shape. The windows have been tinted also. It is removable if it's a little too dark for you, so that's not a problem. And again, this is one of 500 that was pumped out from the factory, and this one is number 48. Now the interior is just as exclusive as the outside, so let's take a look at that. Now take a look at this interior, guys. This is definitely different from what you normally see in these Vettes. Again, this is completely exclusive to the Premier Edition. This is finished in what they call a brownstone colorway. So it's made up of leather, being a 3LT, and suede inserts. So you get a nice leather stitched dash and door panel with the combination of the suede middle section on them, including the seats. You have the leather side bolstering around the sport bucket seats with the suede brownstone inserts. The seats are heated and cooled. You do get head-up display. Again, you have full power everything throughout this cab of the vehicle. Also take a look at the dash. As you can see, this has the carbon fiber exposed interior option on it, which you don't find too often as well. So that's another rare option as well. We have head-up display, a power tilt, and telescopic steering wheel. You have a nice 8-inch infotainment screen there in the center with dual climate control underneath it, guys. Now this is a 7-speed manual with automatic rev matching in it, and it actually has the rev matching paddles on the steering wheel as well. So this thing is an absolute blast to drive. Now, being a Z51, you do have the active mode or ride select dial that's right behind the shifter, guys, so you can shift or change this thing and the way it rides and the comfortability of it. You have sport mode, touring mode, there's a track mode, I believe, and then something for ice or rain. So that also does give you the active multi-mode exhaust on it. So it's a quad-tipped dual stainless steel exhaust. So that's going to open up and close the valves in it, so you get that louder sporty sound to it, or if you just want to cruise it around and not bring any attention to you, you can quiet it up. Overall, this thing is in fantastic condition. Everything is very, very clean. Still smells like new leather in here, still smells like a new car, quite frankly. And it's in really nice shape. It's ready for the next owner. You do also get driver memory positions. I believe there's up to 2 or 3 options as well for that. All right, so for the rear hatch, you can pop it with the key fob. You do have 2 key fobs that come with this vehicle, so 2 sets of keys. In the back here, you have dual privacy screen shades, so one covers the upper glass portion in the rear, and one actually goes in the cargo area in the back there. And here's something that you're not going to find with every Vette either. We have the matching Corvette luggage carriers. So these are going with the car, guys. They are brand spanking new. They still have the plastic or the foam on the handles and the wheels. So that's the matching set. Everything that came with this car originally is still here. Even the plastic baggies for them. There is a nice leather bag here that goes over the roof. If you want to store the carbon fiber roof in the back here, there is that leather bag as well. Now, these are a full carpeted area. Now, on the driver rear corner here, there is a hidden compartment, and it's actually a very, very deep well here. So we do have the Corvette option battery tender that goes with it as well. So you do get the trickle charger. That's nice to have. And then on the right corner, guys, that's where the battery is hidden, right under the carpet. So you're going to lift up that corner, and that's where your battery's at. So if you ever have to jump start the car, you can stick your key in a hidden keyhole right above the license plate here. It's going to pop the rear hatch, and you can access the battery that way. Now we're going to pop the hood, guys, and show you under the engine bay. So the heart of this Corvette is sitting here with a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine. Again, 460 horsepower from the factory. It's mated to that 7-speed manual transmission, giving you a lot of fun. You get the sport feel to it. You get to shift through the gears with the targa top off, the wind flying all around the cab. This thing is an absolute blast to drive. Take a look at the condition. Everything is nice and new looking still, just like it left the factory. Again, just under 10,000 miles, 9,900. This thing looks like it has 900 miles on it. So very nicely well kept. It has great service records on a clean Carfax report as well, and we will provide that on the website. So take a look at that. This isn't a car that you guys want to sleep on. Definitely won't last long. Now that was my impression on this absolutely gorgeous 2014 Z51 3LT Premier Edition Corvette. If you guys aren't a fan of the new C8s, the C7s are definitely still that new looking vehicle with the styling, the comfortability, and all the options that are loaded inside this thing. And it still looks like the classic Corvette. And this thing has been very well preserved. It's It absolutely needs nothing except a new owner to get in and drive it. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, you can visit volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a refundable deposit on this vehicle. It'll shoot us an email with your contact information. We will be contacting you back. We can help set up financing. It's super easy, guys. We can also get this beauty shipped right to your driveway. It's at volocars.com. Check it out. Or you can call us, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to talk over the car some more with you. We can go over financing and shipping options that way as well. Thanks for taking a look, and I'll see you on the next one.